Here's your Sonarphone tip of the week, folks. We're running the T-pod from Vexlar on the back of a planer board. This way it gets it away from the side of the boat, which doesn't scare these fish that are on the deep side of this weed line. We're fishing crappies. We don't want to scare them with the boat, so we zing the planer board out there about 25 feet, tie the T-pod on the back of the planer board about 6 feet. That way we can sneak through these areas, mark our spots on our GPS, and catch more fish. I'm Blake Liend with HSM Outdoors, and that's your Sonarphone tip of the week.